If Steam is giving you error 503, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix you can try right now. This issue can stop Steam from loading properly or prevent a game from launching, but in many cases, the solution is simple. We're going to start with the fastest repair method inside Steam itself, and then we'll make sure Steam is fully closed before reopening it cleanly. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer and head over to your library. In your library, find the game that is showing the error 503 issue. Right-click the game to open the menu, then click Properties. Inside the Properties window, look for the Installed Files section and click on it. Here, you'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that option and let Steam scan your installation. This step is important because it checks for missing, damaged, or corrupted files and replaces them automatically. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish. Once the verification is complete, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If Steam is still showing the problem, the next step is to close Steam completely. Don't just click the X in the corner because Steam can keep running in the background. Instead, open Task Manager on your computer. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard, or by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. In Task Manager, look through the list of processes and find everything related to Steam. End all Steam processes one by one so nothing is left running in the background. This helps clear out any stuck processes that may be causing the error. After all, Steam tasks are closed, relaunch Steam from your desktop or Start menu. Give it a moment to load fully, then try opening your game again. In many cases, simply verifying the game files and restarting Steam properly is enough to fix the 503 error. If you're still having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable, because Steam errors can sometimes appear when the network is having issues. You can also try restarting your PC, since that can clear temporary glitches and refresh Steam services. But the main fix from this guide is to verify the game files, close Steam completely, end all Steam processes, and then relaunch Steam cleanly. That's the best first method to try before moving on to anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix Steam error 503, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.